Prior to setting or modifying batch sizes, check that the brewer is connected to water supply, the tank is properly filled, and a funnel and server are in place. Caution: disconnect the power source from the brewer prior to the removal of any panel for the replacement or adjustment of any component. Setting programming disable feature. To modify batch volume, first check that the set lock switch is in the set position on the circuit board. If it becomes necessary to prevent anyone from changing brew times once programmed, you can set the set lock switch to the locked position. This will prevent any programming to be done until switch is once again placed in the set position. To increase a batch size, press and hold the start or brew switch until 3 clicks are heard, then release the switch and press it again 1 or more times. Each time the switch is pressed, 2 seconds are added to the brew time period. Allow the brew cycle to finish in order to verify that the desired volume has been achieved. To decrease a batch size, press and release the start or brew switch once for every 2-second interval to be removed from the total brew time period. Then immediately press and hold down the start or brew switch until 3 clicks are heard. Release the switch. Failure to release the switch within 2 seconds after the 3rd click causes the volume setting to be aborted and previous volume setting will remain in memory. Allow the brew cycle to finish in order to verify that the desired volume has been achieved. Setting batch sizes. Press and hold the start or brew switch until 3 distinct clicks are heard, and then release the switch. Failure to release the switch within 2 seconds after the 3rd click causes the volume setting to be aborted and previous volume setting will remain in memory. View the level of the liquid being dispensed. When the desired level is reached, turn the on/off switch to off. The brewer remembers this volume and will continue to brew batches of this size until the volume setting procedure is repeated. Note: when brewing coffee, batch volumes will decrease due to absorption by the coffee grounds.